Hey there, it's Bridget Willard here. Get a lot of questions from clients. What do I write about for my small business blog? That was the whole reason why I came up with Launch with Words. There is a free version if you haven't heard about it that gives you blogging prompts. So you need this plugin from the WordPress repository or plugin directory. My good friend Ronald Herwerka built it for me. It has a lot of great reviews. It's still going, and it has a helper. So you get the starter content pack, and you need to download this plugin. So let's go to your website. Here's my website I just spun up from Taste WP, which is a great little way to taste WordPress. Let's go to my dashboard. I'm going to go to plugins, install plugins. Okay, thank you. Okay, I got it. I'm going to install Launch with Words. It's not here, right? So I go add plugin. Launch with Words. The original reason for Launch with Words is to apply the prompts from my book, If You Don't Mind Your Business, Who Will, into blog drafts that will help you and prompt you along the way. So I could go install now. Perfect. I'm going to activate it. If you need to know how to do it, there's a video right here. This is where you import your content packs right here in this tab. So you need the author, and usually I recommend that you create a user that is not just admin because it looks ugly, right? So I'm going to change it to my name, Bridget Willard. And I'm going to have the name display as Bridget Willard. That's important because that's how the author will look. Update my profile. Now for the categories, let's pretend that I'm a flower shop. So I'm going to go in here to posts, and I'm going to go to categories because the blog post prompts will come in and import as categories. So let's talk about floral design. Let's talk about services, floral delivery, floral services. Okay, so we have those, and we're going to make one of them a default if it lets us. I think that's in the settings. Yep, settings, floral services is going to be my default. Oh, one other little tip if you're a new blogger, excuse me, is to change your permalinks. So important. I don't even know why this isn't the default. The post name, just make it the post name. You'll be so happy you did. It's a SEO thing. I really don't know why date and time is the default for WordPress. So let's go back to posts. Launch with Words is about blogging, so it's always under posts. So I need my free starter pack, right? So download my free starter pack. It's going to take you to my website, bridgetwillard.com. Oops. Starter. Oh, there's a starter pack in German. And we're gonna take the regular starter pack. It's free. Okay, I'm gonna check out. get now? Oh, I have to do this. There's my receipt. Receipt will tell me how to get it. It's downloading. It's a JSON file or JSON, JSON. I'm really not sure how you pronounce it. I should know. I always thought it was JSON, but I hear other people saying JSON. So let's go back to my little website that I'm making. I'm going to import a contact pack. Author, floral delivery. See, because I made that I'm going to change it to floral services. Choose file. Now this part, it depends on what kind of computer you have. Windows, Mac. I'm on a MacBook. It automatically goes to my downloads. So I know that that's where it is. LWW, Launch with Word, Starter Pack, 2025. I updated it last year. Look, 12 posts have been created. It took seconds. Now I go to all posts. And here we have our posts. They're all drafts. So if I went to my blog, which I need to actually make a blog, I forgot to tell you that. This is another weird thing about WordPress. You just need to make a page that's called blog. Don't do anything to it and just publish it. Then, right now, it just has nothing on it. So let's go back to our dashboard. There's one more little setting, and this is on WordPress because it's just so weird. Let's go to General. Oh, it's reading, right? Yeah. Homepage displays your static post, your latest post, blog post, or static page. So my home page is going to be the sample page, and my post page is going to be my blog. And I'm going to save that. So now when you go to my site, I have my sample page, right? And then if I click blog, I have my blog posts, which always has hello world. There are millions of websites that have hello world. It's duplicate content. All right, let's go back. So let's go back to our dashboard. This is all under 10 minutes. We're at 7 minutes. Go to our posts. Let's go to January. It did also email me. Oh, no, that was something else. Sorry, you don't need to see that. Where are we? Let's go to January. I'm going to edit. So I have some choice. So I have some choices. I have the draft blog post with questions I'm going to answer or an AI prompt. Then there is a checklist. Grab yourself a featured image, create one on Canva, just go to the link, do your meta description, your share through. Like these are like pro tips right here. So if I want to do an AI prompt, I can select this. If you use Adarim or Bertha.ai, you can do that. You can also go to ChatGPT. And I'm going to paste that prompt in there. Now the regular part is the beginning of the year is a great time to write about starting new habits. Topics for the beginning of the year should be more than just a post about your business goals or personal resolutions. Challenge yourself to create content that's useful all year round and or highlight products, new or old, that your company's offering. How does your product or service factor into the customer's journey? How does the customer use your products or services in a new way? How does your product solve a customer's problem? That's That's a great new year. And you don't have to do January in January, but this is a suggestion. Let's go back to ChatGPT. Which service should we highlight? So, say I am a florist in San Diego, California, and the service I want to highlight is funeral arrangement. I mean, maybe that's my big thing. Who knows? So you can go with this, right? You can pick the chat GPT. So if that's your way, what you want to do, you can definitely do that. Okay. Okay, I'm going to copy this. Oops. But you're going to select it all. Oops. We want to I don't want to delete the checklist yet. But I do want to fix that. And I want to change the title from January blog post to the title that ChatGPT gave me. I'm going to delete this because that's one of the things you're going to want to do is make sure your slug doesn't say January, right? So let's just publish it for now. It doesn't have a featured image or any of that. Yet, let's view the post. And there it is. There it is. So it's so easy to use Launch with Words to help you write. If you want to do it yourself, that's fine. But maybe if you're using ChatGPT, it gave you something to go off of. And I would highly recommend that you would edit this. Anyway, my name is Bridget Willard. I'm the owner of Launch with Words, a small business copywriting plugin that helps you write one blog post every month. It gives you topics. It's totally free. I would love it if you would try it, and I'd love it if you would review it. Bye.